Hi and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you get notified when my next easy way tutorial is out. Today I'm going to show you how to hide a number of people subscribed to your channel, this one here. So when you come to YouTube, you go to your channel and select customize channel. You see here where it says 23 subscribers. Click there and select channel. Click on advanced and all the way down you see subscriber count, and you select this do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Click save. And now we will check did it work, and yes, it's hidden now. Click like if this helped you, and I see you in my next video.